Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay. We've got our equipment shut down this afternoon. We're doing some calibration, some testing, and just wanted to make sure you understand the importance of making sure that your equipment is properly calibrated, that you're putting it out at your products out at the right rate. Every product is labeled with the proper rate that it's supposed to be applied to your lawns, and if you happen to under apply or put too little out, you're not going to get the results you want. And if you put too much, for one, you're wasting money, you're wasting products, and so you don't want to do that. And the other part of that is, if there are some products out there that if you put too much, you'll actually do some damage to your lawn. So nobody wants that as well. So it's real important, whatever means you're using, whatever product you're using, just make sure that you have your equipment properly calibrated, that you know at what rate you're putting it out, because it's very important, and it's going to have a lot to do with whether you get the proper results come spring and summer. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. We'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.